Fida is fainted.
Hello me. Fida is fainted.
Aiwe. Oya. Nyine wowe batuvuga.
Ndavugira kuri phone ujye umbwira ibyo mubwira.
Gatwagiye. Ngavuga. Hello Pelumi. Fida is fainted.
Fida is fainted.
Wait a gato. Fida, unavuga. Fida is fainted. Hello my people. How are you? Muri kumwe nanjye umutono wa Fida. Ubwo ni Jeanne, Claudina n'ibindi. Umeze neza? Uraho cyane. Subuza abafana.
Abantu ba Matibori, ba Goreti, ndabasuje cyane. Nizeye ko hose muri umeze neza.
Kandi nawe baragukunda.
Akabeho gahari nizeye ko mwese mwifubitse turabakunda cyane.
Abatifubitse mufate imipira mugire gutya mushyiremo intoki. Biraza gukira bya bintu birakora. Nukuri birakora. So guys, rero guess what? Ese mumeze neza mwariye mwanyoye amata. Ibyo twariye twanyoye amata natwe tumeze neza. Ebana Shemsa akoze kunsura. Yo mwamagaye tuzi.
Ariko nikomeze mwabwiye ngo ntabwo ameze neza.
Utuze yemwe ngo ndarwaye. Sha mwabana umwenda rwaye. Ako nyine ntabwo ndwaye cyane byo gupfa. Murabizi ko amare dufite umugabo namubwiye ngo nyine agiye mubwiye ko ndwaye. Abizi ko narembye cyane. Nyine ukatotere sozo ukuntu byagenze. Njyewe ejo niwe ndwaye umunsi wose mu nda handya n'umutwe urumva. Ariko si nwite ndabizi mutaba ngo yego burangara twite oya si nwite. Noneho ndangije nyine umugabo wanjye atanye nditetesha ko ndabadamu twitetesha bati simeze neza. Ariko mitanekereza akantu afata uwa umugabo wanjye nagaze ibintu bya prank. Nanuga benshi mu muzi nagaraje imbere ya kamera shimo. Niba nawe wawe byibuza Killerman warazwe. We nyine ntago niyo bamufatira no mwaye action yatakina. Ese umugabo wanjye tugiye kumuhamagara tugiye kumukorera prank. Umugabo wanjye avuga icyongereza gusa. Wait. So no guys, rero twe twavuze ngo ara nyine numva mugabo wanjye numunayica naho nyine azi Kinyarwanda habe na gitope. So rero Shemsa yansuye ko nyine nijoro naraye ndwaye ejo niwe meze nabi ndamuga ati nyine ndahayemo ati ndarwaye akagira ubwoba bwinshi cyane bwinshi butabaho. So icyo tugiye gukora rero Shemsa n'umushuti wanjye yadusiga nyine njyane dusize mu cyumba nyine ndyamye nyine ndameze Shemsa azi kunsura nk'umuntu ugize gute urwaye. Egera hano kuzuba kugira ngo tugaragare neza. So rero ndagira ngo mbabwire Shemsa we agiye gukina nk'umushuti wanjye nyine wansuye. Umugabo wanjye agiye mu kazi azi ako byanze kugaragara kuri. Kuva hano ujya hano dufatira moto inoti 10 akora akantu agiye kujya kungurira ku muhanda aragareza umuntu kuri botike oya nk'itatu irashize cyakoze agiye ariko agenda gake ko n'ibintu bagiye kumuzanira akabishyira kuri botike umva kujya afata moto araba atararenga kandi nawe bayifashe kandi araza. Umva rero Shemsa mw'abantu mwe nimuduseke icyongereza nyine ni cya kintu nyine natwe cyo kwishakisha cyo kwaka ibiryo. Shemsa baranuntsebye. Umva
Ngiye kumbwira kiriya cyongereza cy'Abanigeria.
Ugiye gutangira. Ntabwo kigorana. Urafata telefone. Igere nka kuri telefone. Allo? Vuga allo?
Allo?
Hello Pelumi. Fida has fainted.
Fida has fainted.
Yego nuko. Ushemo wahala kugira bagira ubwo yatagira ubwo bivuze ngo wahala ni gupanga mana we ngo ibyago birabaye cyangwa ibibazo birateye twagiye twongere. Hello Pelumi. Ndabwo naguye igihumure ngahita aba telefone.
Hello Pelumi. Fida has fainted. Mani wambwira indi jambo.
Fida has fainted. Okay, nari twakora gutya. Hello Pelumi. Fida is dying. Fida is dying. Uramubwira urumva arimo ku faintinga byakunaniye. Turakoresha Fidya is dying. No, come home. Hurry up. Bikore.
Okay. Ako kumvura ngo.
Twagiye hello Pelumi.
Hello Pelumi, Fidya is dying. Hara. Hariya.
Aiwe, ngo hara.
Hara.
Agari hara. Hurry.
Hello Pelumi, Fidya is dying.
He's dying.
Is
Ari
dying.
gupfa.
Is dying. Hurry up.
Hurry up. Wahala.
Sawa.
None tugiye kumuhamagara. Ngenda nzane phone. Sibyo? Ugume hano baganiriza.
Guys, ntihagire umuntu unera amabuye. Ubwo nyine twize make byagaragaye ko twize make.
Umva naheza. Ngiye mama phone. Kindi turi kuyikoresha. Okay. Ashyiramo nimero ya Peru. Aiwe. Ono ngifate bwa nyuma utaza kunsebya. Igere nkaho nyina kwitabye. Ubwo na fainting gira ubwoba.
Allo, Pelumi, Fidya is die. Hurry. Wahala. Okay.
No, mugago gute nagari bukumba. Mugabo wanye bisaba avuga icyongereza cyangwa bavu. Uragira gute? Yagute. Hello? Hello, Pelumi.
Hello, Pelumi.
Fidya is dying. Hurry up.
Hurry up.
Okay.
Hello, Pelumi. Fidya is dying. Hurry up. Hey.
Gafit kange. Okay, rero tugiye kumuhamagara. Adashyiremo nimero. Abantu mfashe imana batararenga hajya uko ndamuzi niyo naba napfuye yakambira ngo yaza ariko atavuga ati shaka ambulance akunda ambulance cyane hamagara ambulance amutwaye nimba agiye gupfa kwagira ubwoba umugore wapfuye atasara tuhamagare we mana we umugore we okay noneho ngenda niyo turivugana turi hano we shemu munsi akira
Allo. Hello, Pelumi. Fidya is dying.
He's dying. Kichana, Shemsa yicibira. Urumva asaseka. Nuzo umugabanye n'ubusetse ntago ari butwino n'ugunyicibira.
Oya, nese nkuko navuga.
Mwongere. Wowe jya utya. Hello Pelumi.
Fidya mugaweza. Sawa.
Kuko abonye ari nyuma na mama wanjye atamenye ko byakomeye. Ushobora kutabona ko turi kumukinisha. Uretse ngira icumi.
Allo. Hello Pelumi. Fidya is dying. Hurry. Hey. Is dying.
Babe, come home.
Come.
Hurry up, please. Allo? Come. No. Mana we.
Byabaye ariko nari mfuye.
Mana mubonye bikoze neza usubu nataza nge bana nunsebye video yanjye gapfuye umunsi urambona. Mana umfashaze. Uretse gutora nonge nihamagasha mu bwite beba mu bwite. Nsepfuri. Wowe byawe nshaka ashaka ko atabyumvisha aramamagaye ahubwo. Hello? Babe. I'm not fine. It's hard. Hurry up.
Hey, Fidya. It's okay.
Shemsa ari ikigoryi nk'ababyeyi. Wanyumvira. It's okay. Nose ubwo bivuga mu Kinyarwanda no ugasara wajya ushyiramo ubwenge.
Mani biretse.
Wait, it's okay. Because I said I'm coming. Reka cyangwa cyo mama.
Ese umukopa.
ngo imaze kuntu rusekeye umunsi ubwo naba
ntabwo ariko nyumvishije
simbizi mama mfashe mana namenya ko ari prank urapfa ndakwica baguhambe noneho tugiye
rero bipanze njye ntabwo mbirimo
ngiye kuryama hano numara kuharyama nyine uramuga ko twari twicaye hano hanze noneho nkagwa hasi kuko mu nzu nta matara
rero birasaba kuzana agatebe
nzana udutebe so guys tuzanye rero udutebe umva rero kugira ngo utangira
gusasa kino gitenge hasi
uko manange leta ubona ko twari hanze urusubashya yitamba njyana urusubora njya kuryama hasi leta ubona ko ari prank ubwo se umuntu mukuru ntiyizi uba basanga umuntu wikubita se abanza gushyiraho ikintu ngiye ukeneye kugira ngo niyanduze hano we katurebe mfashe inzara zanjye ntiziveho kwigira umurambo we none arya umuntu waguha igihumura aba ameze ati njye ntabwo ntabwo igihumura aba ameze gutya
ryama mu ruhande rumwe akaboko kamwe kagire
gutya ayi wese ubu ndyame hasi ushemu
ubu se muri we witaza igitero cyangwa
oya naribire kagire gutya ngire gutya uko kabanzaze mvuga iza araje baranyica mva ibaza amaye divorce mani ntabwo
agira umujinya
ntabwo umujinya wa mugabo wanjye se ntabwo agira umujinya mwinshi asuba nk'ubiteye muri video uraseba
nyine najya gukubita witaza
wese bagiye gukubita witaza
njye ntabwo bwanjye arankubita ahubwo najya kukwegera usa nkaho nyine nubona atangiye kurakara ujye uvuga ugenda
ndavuga niruka we ntabwo yankubita ariko n'umwana mwiza
I'm wait yo none ndagukubita ukamambiri I'm coming. I'm wait.
Shemsa, what up?
Is her wife?
Hey.
Her wife is her kubita.
What happened? How did
Has
this happen? How did this happen exactly? When did it happen? Fidel. Hey, sit up now. What happened to you? Huh? What happened?
I don't know.
I give her water. What do you give her?
Her stand up. I saw her.
Babe.
Is kubita.
What happened?
Talk
Yeah,
now.
talk now.
Hey.
Oh yeah, stand up. How did this happen, baby? Baby. Easy. What do you do? Shemsa, what do you do?
I don't know.
Stand up.
Hospital.
Let's
Ambulance.
go to the hospital.
Ambulance.
Where is your phone? Give me your phone.
Call ambulance.
Give me the phone. Fidel.
Her dying.
Fidel.
Hey. Wake up now.
Baby, wake up. Let's go to the hospital.
Wake.
Okay? Let's go to the hospital, baby. What is he saying?
He's down. He's
Sit
down.
down. Pele. Sorry. What happened, baby?
yes babe
How are you feeling?
I'm not feeling
Baby, don't do this to me now. Don't do this to me, baby. Please don't do this to me. Eh? Let's try and go to the hospital.
I'm nervous. Call
Call the ambulance.
I told you before you go to work
Now what?
that would be like this.
Hey, I didn't know it was this serious now.
Hello? Ni kuri
I
ambulance.
didn't know it was this serious, baby.
Dufite umurwayi. Ni biriri jansi yigo. Mubanguke.
Sorry. Sorry. Baby, easy.
ndabivuze
Eh?
ntabwo se mbizi
ntacyo yumva nyine si tukuri
What she saying?
tubivuge ko byari imikino
What she saying? What is she saying?
it was blank.
I'm not serious. What's your problem? What's your problem? Why are you joking with things like this? This is life or death and you're joking with it.
I'm sorry now.
Leave me,
Wait.
Jared.
Wait.
Leave me.
Babe now. Babe now.
ntabwo ngiye mbirimo
Ntabwo birimo kandi rero biteye. Babe. Come back now. Ana we baranyica we bana we.
kubamba
Babe. Please now, I'm sorry now. Come back now. You know, me and Shemsa, we planned this thing for a long time. We wanted just to see how you react, or be how you're going to react about this thing. Besides, this is my first time to do this thing to you, okay? Please now, please. No, I'm not hypertension now. Sorry now, sorry. See, don't embarrass me now. Shemsa is here now. Please don't embarrass me. Come, let me apologize. I will apologize. Please come, please.
rero barakwica
No, we are babe, I'm sorry. Eh?
Why did you do that?
I wanted. Please come here. I'm sorry. You know, I was like, let me see how he will react, whether he come back or not.
That's serious. I was already going to shop already.
You're going to shop.
I was on the way to shop when you called me back.
I'm sorry now. Me, I didn't. Okay, I knew, but you know I'm sick already. I'm sick now. It's not.
But in the morning it was not like this now. Why did you now use it
To create video. I wanted to post on my YouTube now. Baby, when you come, did you not see cameraman?
But I didn't know that it's this thing. I didn't know it was serious like that.
I'm sorry. My lovely baby, my husband.
Now I should be on the way to shop.
rero ngira ngo mvuge I'm sorry is
But Shemsa, why did you allow her to do that?
her wife is liar me her liar me
cyangwa naramusekeje kuko yagize cyane ngo halaya mi ibyo bigisekeje umugabo wanjye bamenye nsambabaye babe I'm sorry. I lied to her. I don't know what she wants to say.
Lied to her?
No, she's saying, c'est not convey. Ha, bivuge nyine bas.
nyine her lie me
Yeah, like I lied to her.
her prank me na pranking you
Shemo, no je gutuma bambabarira.
I have to go to shop.
Okay, you are going. Okay, bye babe. Sorry. Bye. Sorry. I love you. I will not do it again. But I'll go to shop.
Not do it again.
I will not do it again. Go to shop. Okay, bye.
bye
Yeah, bye.